In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and adjust the transparency of an image in LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is a popular, free word processor similar to Microsoft Word. It's ideal for creating documents, making it a handy tool for students, professionals, and anyone in between. Today, we'll focus on the basics of inserting an image and modifying its transparency to suit your document's needs. So let's dive right in. To begin, you need to open LibreOffice Writer. If it isn't already installed on your computer, you can download it for free from the official LibreOffice website. But assuming you have it ready to go, find the LibreOffice icon on your computer. It's usually on your desktop or Start menu, and give it a double click. This action will bring up the Start Center of the LibreOffice suite. Look for the option that says Writer Document. Go ahead and click that. And voila, you've successfully opened your blank document. Now, let's move on to adding an image to spice up your document. Head up to the top menu and find the word Insert. Click on Insert, and a drop-down will appear. From here, hover over Image and then click on From File. This command opens a file browser where you can navigate to the image you'd like to include. Select your desired picture and click the Open button. Instantly, you'll see the image appear right in your document just like that. Next, we'll look into opening the image's properties to make some adjustments. To do this, find your image in the document and give it a right click. You'll see a menu pop up. Look for an option called Properties. Sometimes, depending on your version, this might appear as Format, followed by Image in the menu. Click on that, and it will open a new dialog box featuring a range of options for customizing your image. Now, let's adjust the transparency settings of your image. In the dialog box that you've just opened, find the tab that says Transparency. Click on it, and you'll see a slider or an input box where you can set the transparency level. The percentage you choose will determine how much of the background shows through the image. For instance, 0% means the image will be fully visible with no transparency, whereas 100% will make it completely invisible. Choose a percentage that suits your needs, such as 20%, 50%, or even 80%. Once you've selected your desired transparency, simply hit the OK button to apply the changes. And there you have it. Simple yet effective way to insert an image and adjust its transparency in LibreOffice Writer. Whether you're jazzing up a report or putting a personalized touch on your documents, these subtle yet powerful adjustments can make a significant impact. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.